Hello and welcome back to Curly Fixing Guy's Garage. We have new gear, and when I say this, literally, we have our new gear from the gearbox. So I won't say again that we have all the pieces of the puzzle together, because I think it would be the third time when I'm saying that, and it's actually not true. So one thing that I've learned from this project is until you kickstart that beast for the first time and you hear the roar of the engine, don't say you have everything put back together. So yeah, I would just say that let's continue with putting this new gear back into the transmission and rebuild that transmission, and then continue with the bottom end of the engine, and hopefully we won't get too many challenges in our way from now on. Hopefully. Half of the engine with all the bolts inside. Right, so from my estimations, we are a little bit more halfway to have this engine in one piece. But to be honest, the most complicated part from my point of view, it's over already. I was just nervous about the gearbox and the gear shifter to be put back together perfectly, because they're quite sophisticated. All other components were easily fitted back in. So I obviously use some fresh engine oil to pre-lube all components subject to friction, and pressured air before actually lubing everything. So I use pressured air to leave everything clean and dry. It's very important to really maintain everything dried and clean before you assemble everything. Don't let fluids caught in threads or something like that, because they can expand. I mean, they expand when the engine heats up, and that may cause some pressure on the threads, and you don't want that inside your engine. Also, lots of patience was required, because to be honest, I'd never done something similar before, and it's quite a job from my point of view. So here's my advice for you. Whenever in doubt, stop, take a step back, open the owner's manual and maybe 2 or 3 comprehensive do-it-yourself videos from YouTube, like the ones in the description below, and analyze what you're doing step by step, fraction, piece by piece, and make sure that whatever you're doing, it's exactly 100% by the book. There's the rainbow. This being said, we can move on with the cylinder and top of the engine, and then we can measure the distance at the intake and exhaust valves, so we know what shims we need, because we need to replace those shims. So yeah, stay with us.